Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export an AutoCAD drawing to PDF while preserving layers. This is a useful feature when sharing drawings with clients, consultants, or team members, because it allows them to turn layers on and off directly in the PDF viewer. It can make complex drawings much easier to navigate and review. Let's get started. First, open the drawing you want to export in AutoCAD. Before exporting, make sure your layers are organized properly and named clearly. Since these layer names will be included in the PDF, having a well-organized layer structure will make the final document much easier to use. Next, switch to the Layout tab you want to export. While layer-enabled PDFs can be created from model space, exporting from a layout usually provides the best control over sheet size, viewports, and plotting settings. Now, type Plot in the command line and press Enter. This will open the Plot dialog box where you'll configure the PDF export settings. In the Printer/Plotter section, select DWG to PDF.PC3. This is AutoCAD's built-in PDF plotter and supports layer information in exported PDFs. After selecting the PDF plotter, choose the correct paper size for your drawing. Then, verify that the plot area is set appropriately. If you're working from a layout, selecting Layout is usually the best option. Next, click the Properties button beside the PDF plotter. This opens the Plotter Configuration Editor, where additional PDF settings can be configured. In the Configuration settings, look for options related to PDF output. One of the most important settings is the ability to include layer information in the exported PDF. Make sure this option is enabled. Depending on your AutoCAD version, it may be labeled as Include Layer Information or something similar. After enabling layer information, click OK to save the settings and return to the Plot dialog box. Now review the rest of your plot settings, including plot scale, orientation, and plot style table if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Preview to check the final output before exporting. If the preview appears correct, click Plot. Choose a location to save the PDF and enter a file name. AutoCAD will then generate the PDF with layer information included. Once the PDF has been created, open it in a PDF viewer that supports layers. Many professional PDF applications include a Layers panel where you can view and control individual drawing layers. Expand the Layers panel and confirm that your AutoCAD layers are listed. You can now turn layers on and off directly within the PDF without modifying the original DWG file. This makes reviewing, printing, and sharing drawings much more flexible. If layers do not appear in the PDF, double-check that layer information was enabled in the PDF plotter, and make sure you're using a PDF viewer that supports PDF layers. And that's how you export an AutoCAD drawing to PDF with layers preserved. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video.